Dr. Lalit, a practicing ophthalmologist at Amrit Hospital, Saukarpatan, Pushwaka. Today, I'm going to talk to you about black fungus, which has become the latest villain in our lives. It is actually known as mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is basically a fungal infection and it is an opportunistic infection. Now, what do we mean by opportunistic infection? An opportunistic infection is one which happens when a person's immune system is already become very weak. This can happen in patients who have already had COVID or are presently having COVID, especially when they have associated comorbidities such as diabetes, cancer, or HIV. So these are all the things which reduce or which make our immune system a little weak. And there are certain medicines which are also given to treat COVID. And these medicines can also reduce our immunity or can weaken our immune system. But we have to understand that to save our lives, these medicines are very, very important. And without them, it will be very difficult to treat COVID. So we have to, in such situations, we have to weigh the benefits over the side effects. And we have to make sure that the patient is treated appropriately to save his life. There are few symptoms whenever a patient has COVID, and if he has these associated symptoms, he should be a little worried. So the usuals, the areas which mucormycosis or the black fungus affects is the nose, the eye. To be very specific, the area behind the eye. It is called the retroorbital region, and finally the brain. So that is why it is a very dangerous disease. So usually the patient's usual symptoms are running nose. Sometimes you can have a bloody discharge from the nose. It's slightly blood stained. The other thing which can happen is there might be discoloration, blackish discoloration inside the nose or in the exterior region also. There might be some swelling around the nose. There are some associated symptoms such as headache, eye pain. There might be swelling of the eyes. The patient can have double vision, which is known as diplopia. The patient can also experience loss of vision, especially when the optic nerve is affected. This usually happens in very advanced or later stages. There might be slightly proptosis, or there can be slightly, bulgy looking eyes. This is one of the typical symptoms of mucormycosis or the black fungus. And once it affects the brain, which happens in the advanced stages, the patient can have associated symptoms such as headaches, giddiness, and the general condition might deteriorate. So he might have fever, headache. These are the usual symptoms when the patient has when the infection affects the brain. So then it becomes an emergency. So what I would like to tell you here is that we need not panic. It is a very, very rare infection. It happens in 0.14% of the COVID patients. So you can say that it happens in 2 patients out of every 10,000 patients. So this is something which we have to remember, and we should not panic. And if you have any of these symptoms, please consult your ophthalmologist or your ENT specialist or your neurologist. So these are the usual 3 doctors who can handle this situation, and there are wonderful medications available for this. The usual first line of management is by giving injection amphotericin B. It works like magic if it is given on time. So if you have any of these symptoms, please report to your ophthalmologist or a neurologist or a physician or an ENT specialist to make sure that you don't have mucormycosis, or as it is commonly known as black fungus. And if you have the disease, if you get treated on time, we can save your life. So that it is very, very important to remember this. So my advice to you is stay safe, stay at home. Only go out whenever it is necessary. And if you have had COVID, if you are a diabetic or you have any other comorbidities such as HIV or cancer, and you think if your immune system is going to be less, please avoid going outside. Always wear a mask, because that is the only way you can prevent from getting any of these infections. Because even the mucormycosis enters through the nose, goes to the sinuses, and then affects the eye and the brain. So we have to remember wearing a mask is very, very important. Third thing is, if you have any of these symptoms, as I told you, if you have any headache, blurring of vision, diplopia, running nose, any bloody discharge from your nose, make sure you get medical attention immediately. So stay safe, stay at home, and if you have any of these symptoms, don't panic.